Today we are studying second chapter, era of one party dominance. First we understand the era of one party dominance, right? The meaning of era of one party dominance means the period of one party dominance, means the only one single parties which rules all over and more than 90% states or the parts of the country, right? It was the periods, right? Only single parties dominated all over, mostly more than 90% parts of India, right? What second things we understand, challenge of building of democracy. As you know, we got freedom in 1947. After that we have the many challenges. We integrate our states, right? We reorganize the states, right? And we merge the states and we make the policy of democratic systems, right? This one party dominance is the challenge of building of democracy. We understand what are the challenge for the democracy, how to maintain the democracy in the country, right? The first we have, because all it is very necessary to the representation of all the citizens of India is very important, right? Because in democratic systems, citizen will be decided who will their representative, right? So first, what the challenge of building of democracy? The first challenge is the elections, right? How the voters elect their representatives. For this, the Election Commission of India was set up in January 1950, right? The function of election commissions was is to maintain the election policy, to reform the election policies, to arrange the setup for the elections, to ensure the candidatures of the candidate, to provide the symbols for different parties, representatives or candidates, right? For this election commission was set up. It look after all about the elections held in the country, right? The first election commission name was Sukumar Sen, first chief election commission of India, right? Second, India's vast size. Because we have the challenges, we have the vast size, and second challenge is low literacy rate, right? These are the challenges for those who will elect their representatives, right? For this, election commissions make the arrangement, right? And the first elections general election hold in country in 1952. Despite these challenges, election was held successfully in 1952. So what are the changing method of votings, right? Second is the challenge of building of democracy. Second is changing method of votings. What changes we have observed so far? In first general election, it was decided to place inside each polling booth a box for each candidate with the election symbol of that candidate, and then the public or the citizens can give their vote to the particular candidates in this, right, on that symbols, right. But in 2004 the entire country had shifted to EVM, means electronic voting machines. This system saved the times, right, of the voters as well as the election commissions, right, and also it also help in the countings of the votings, right. So this is the first three general elections. First we understand only these things, two things: challenge of building democracy and challenge method of voting only. Hope you got it. Have a nice day.